Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today you will learn the use of hatch command in AutoCAD. So, let us begin our tutorial and understand the use of hatch command. First of all, type R.E.C and then hit enter key in your keyboard. Afterwards, place the drawing and make it stable. As you can see, the rectangle is completed. And now type H to activate the hatch command. After that, a dialog box appears on the screen. In that dialog box, select Add Object button. Within a second of time, the dialog box disappears and now select the rectangle. Moreover, to use different types of pattern variety, just do the same as me. Now select the Scale option to increase the size of the pattern. Here there is another option available, Angle. With the help of the Angle option, you can provide different looks. In Draw Order, you can bring or center drawing behind the pattern. Afterwards, click on the Preview button, so that you can get the view of the pattern. Now use the Move command and drag it underneath the text. Then use the Circle command and place it near the pattern. Now I will teach you the use of gradient with hatch command. The process is simple, but the selection of colors depends upon you. The gradients looks amazing inside the circle. Now for the more practice, we will again make a polygon. Then again type H to activate the hatch command. In the dialog box, you can see Add a Select Object. Now use the Add Select Object button on the polygon. Then select the Draw Order. After them, now select the pattern and press the Preview button. Now move the polygon below. Then use the text command and name the drawings. I hope you understand the use of hatch command. So for more amazing AutoCAD commands, please stay with us. At last, please subscribe or do like our video. Thanks.